In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to check whether your monetized YouTube video has received an ad suitability restriction. If you find this helpful, consider liking and subscribe. Let's do this if you're ready. First things first, we need to understand that ad suitability restriction is when YouTube chooses to place ads on your video or not. To check whether any of your monetized videos has gotten limited ad suitability, follow the following step-by-step guide. Open the YouTube Studio app. Select Content. You can see that monetization symbol on videos are green. Scroll the tabs above to the left till you locate monetization. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with the following options. Select the last option named Limited. Tap on Apply, and you'll be presented with all your monetized videos that are showing limited ad suitability. Tap on any of them and go ahead to tap on the limited ad option to view more details like you're seeing on your screen. If you found this helpful, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.